Drop-down menus are essential in UI design for navigation and forms. With Figma's variants, auto layout, and prototyping, you can create realistic, interactive drop-downs. This guide shows you how to build one from scratch. Step 1. Design the default state. Start by creating the collapsed default view of your drop-down. This typically includes a text label, e.g., select option, a down-facing arrow icon, a background container with padding. Step 2. Design the expanded state. Next, create the open version of the drop-down. Duplicate the default frame and add a vertical list of options underneath. Each option should be a text label placed inside a frame with padding and hover state, if desired, aligned using auto layout for clean, vertical stacking. Step 3. Turn both states into variants. Step 4. Add interactions in prototype mode. To simulate interactivity, switch to prototype mode, Shift+E. Select the main button in the closed variant. Drag the interaction handle to the open variant. Choose onClick. Change to Open. Repeat the process for the open state, linking back to closed when the user clicks again.